Tidbits from TNT, Tuesday, October 1, 2024. Listen to the full version on the official dinarreport.com website and become our supporter on Patreon. Tishwash. This is their value. 9 American and Asian investment funds trade in the Iraqi market. The chairman of the Securities Commission, Faisal Al-Hamis, confirmed today, Tuesday, that there are 9 American and Asian investment funds trading in the Iraqi market, indicating the size of these funds. Al-Hamis said during the World Investor Day conference, which was attended by the correspondent of Al-Iqtisad News, that the size of the Iraqi stock exchange represents a small percentage of the gross domestic product, noting that there are 9 American and Asian investment funds trading in the Iraqi stock exchange. He added, the size of these funds reaches $500 million and is subject to increase, indicating that setting the percentage of foreign investments at 49% hinders the entry of foreign investors. Al-Hamis pointed out that the new law will raise the foreign investor to 80%, expecting Iraq will accept an increase in the entry of foreign investors after the approval of the new law of the Commission. Tishwash. Turkish businessmen in Diyala looking for investment opportunities. Diyala Governor Adnan al-Shamari discussed with a delegation of Turkish businessmen the investment file in the province. Al-Shamari said in a statement that he received a delegation of Turkish businessmen in his office in Diyala Governorate, and discussed with them investment opportunities and the possibility of finding a suitable ground for investment in the governorate. He stressed that investment in Diyala has become available and has fertile ground with the presence of many investment factors, especially since it enjoys great security stability. He pointed out that the local administration attaches great importance to the issue of attracting international companies to invest in many strategic projects in the governorate. Tishwash. Iraq warns forex companies over dinar commissions. The Central Bank of Iraq, CBI, has identified irregularities in the operations of several exchange companies regarding the sale of US dollars allocated to travelers. A recent audit and monitoring of company practices revealed that some exchange firms have been charging citizens a commission of 50,000 dinars for purchasing dollars, double the amount stipulated by official directives. According to Circular No. 9 January 8003, issued on July 11, 2024, the central bank had clearly instructed exchange companies to collect a commission of only 25,000 dinars from citizens when purchasing foreign currency. The current overcharging practices have been deemed in violation of these regulations. The central bank has emphasized that these directives were introduced to streamline the process for citizens and ensure smooth, transparent transactions. Exchange companies found to be non-compliant with these guidelines risk exclusion from participating in the official foreign currency buying and selling system in the future. The central bank has urged all companies to promptly adhere to the official directives to avoid further sanctions. This move underscores the institution's commitment to maintaining order and fairness in Iraq's currency exchange markets. Tishwash. Baghdad funds Erbil with 243 billion dinars to pay salaries of the region's employees. Financial expert Hafidar Shaban confirmed today, Tuesday, October 1, 2024, that the Federal Ministry of Finance will finance the region with an amount of 243 billion dinars. Shaban said in an interview with Baghdad Today, the Federal Ministry of Finance will send this amount to the region, which is the remaining amount, for the purpose of financing the salaries of the Kurdistan region in full, for the month of August. He added, tomorrow, the Ministry of Finance in the regional government will begin disbursing employees' salaries, and Baghdad has asked the regional government to prepare the lists according to last February. An informed source revealed, on Friday, September 27, 2024, the date for launching the disbursement of salaries for employees in the Kurdistan region for the month of August. The source told Baghdad Today, the regional government needs 243 billion dinars to complete the full amount of employees' salaries, which amounts to 998 billion dinars. He added, Baghdad promised to send the amount next Sunday, and thus the salary list will be launched on the same day and the distribution will continue for only 3 days. And a few days later the salaries for the month of September will be funded, after the Ministry of Finance in the region sent the full salary list. The Ministry of Finance in the Kurdistan region announced yesterday, Thursday, the delivery of the list of employees' salaries for the months of August and September, as requested by the Federal Ministry of Finance last time. She explained that, in order to cover the deficit in August salaries, which is estimated at 243 billion dinars, the Federal Ministry of Finance decided to pay the suspended payments from February to August. And it is scheduled to start distributing salaries at the beginning of next week with the arrival of supplementary funding from Baghdad. Stressing that she is waiting to start sending September salaries to the region's employees and in order to start the process of auditing the payroll now. Listen to the full version on the official dinarreport.com website and become our supporter on Patreon. Source: Dinar Recaps.